In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of my slimes in my slime collection, and I really hope that you enjoy this video.
Always steam peeled. Never.
Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to be doing my $700 famous Instagram slime collection, and I really hope that you enjoy it. Obviously, this video is a super long one, so if you just want to check out the types of people who sell slime, I'm going to have some information in the description. So starting off, we have glitter slimes, and I think this is the biggest slime collection I have of all of my slimers, and this is her cake batter ice cream, which is one of my personal favorites because it's a clay-based slime, but it's also just super soft and it hasn't hardened over time. Like, this is without any moisturizer being added, and as you can see, it's just super creamy and it inflates so much that every single time I play with it, I have to get rid of literally so much. Next up we have strawberry cream cheese, and like the last slime, it's also a clay one, but this one hardened slightly, and as you can see by me touching it, it was a tiny bit tough at first, but the more you play with it, the softer it becomes, and this one inflates so much. I haven't played with it that much before, so I didn't really notice, but when I was playing with it in this video for maybe like 2 minutes, it just grew by like double, and it just became so fluffy and lovely to play with. Another thing I've really noticed about her slimes is some people's scents go off, but hers keeps so well. It smells just as good as the first day I got it, and as you can see, the slime is also a really good quality. Blueberry buttercream is so nice. So it has really nice sizzles on the top because I think it's made with Daiso clay, and as you can see here, it's super creamy and really soft, and weirdly enough in real life it's kind of glossy as well, which I was really impressed with. And the scent for this, oh my goodness, it's kind of like a sour blueberry scent, like the sweets, and it just smells really good. Cucumber Spritz is probably my favourite slime from her because I love the crunchiness at the beginning, and then I just love the gloss underneath, and that the flame beads don't make it like uncomfortable to play with, it just adds a tiny bit of texture. And this inflates so much and has the most gorgeous fresh scent, so you don't get sick of playing with it.